Ivermectin is an injectable parasiticide for swine. A low-volume dose effectively kills gastrointestinal roundworms, lungworms, lice, and mange mites that may impair the health of swine.
Pig, pig, 1, 2, 3. Pigs, they are pigs. Pig, pig, 1, 2, 3. Pigs, they are pigs. Pig, pig, 1, 2, 3. Pigs, they are pigs. Pig, pig, 1, 2, 3.
For those who are asking, this is the ballpen I used during my exam, the Faber-Castell LB7, and trust me guys, it really helped me a lot. Sobrang smooth nito gamitin guys. Even sa shading, ang laki ng tulong kasi sa totoo lang, sobrang time consuming mag-shade and kailangan mo talagang ingatan na hindi siya lumagpa sa circle. Good thing about this pen, the tip is precise and the ink flow is just right, kaya mas mabilis at mas malinis mag-shade. Super affordable pa and matibay. I didn't even need to switch pens during the whole exam. So if you're still looking for a good ballpen to use, I highly recommend this. Ayun lang. God bless to those who will take the